The best way to have a successful consumer-driven health plan is to have employees who are informed and actively participate in their plans. In addition, you, the employer, need to stay connected to your plan service provider, your employees, and your benefits. Our solution is My Resources Service Center, or myRSC, an online web portal and your single source for employee benefit information. myRSC provides an online hub where you can manage your HSA, FSA, HRA, parking or transit plans, COBRA administration, and MySource debit cards. It brings together all the elements of your benefit package in one secure location where you can access account history, plan details, enrollment information, and more. myRSC provides useful tools and information for both employees and employers. First, let's take a look at what your employee will see when he or she logs on to myRSC. This is the home page, which can be customized to include your company's colors or unique brand. The myRSC portal is a powerful tool to help employees get the answers they need without having to bog down your human resources department with questions or waste valuable time searching carrier sites for information. Here, employees can check account history and balances for their various accounts, change personal information, and download documents and reports. This convenient feature allows your employees to access information and forms that your TPA puts online. Your employees don't have to rely on an administrator to get information such as plan documents. And forms are accessible online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Reports such as the payment register or contribution reports can also be accessed by authorized personnel. myRSC also offers the convenience of online enrollment and claims filing. In addition, you may have access to additional resources such as commonly asked questions and answers, health information, or calculators. Using calculators, employees enter their own salary and amounts they spend on possible pre-tax services, such as dependent care, insurance premiums, and medical expenses. The calculator automatically figures out the tax and gives them an estimate of how much money they can save using your benefit plan. myRSC also contains tabs to give your employees contact information and access to other lines of service you may be taking advantage of. If you use MySource cards to access funds for FSA, HRA, or transit plans, one click on the card tab will let your employees see how much money they have available in each benefit. They can also easily access account activity to see a history of their card swipes. The HSA Today tab puts complete health savings account management at your employees' fingertips. Here they can check balances and account history and deposit or withdraw funds with just a few clicks. One unique feature is the Claims Vault. Here employees can enter claims and upload receipts into a sort of electronic shoebox where receipts can be stored indefinitely and retrieved quickly and easily. Taxes are also simplified using the HSA Today tab. Any HSA information relevant for taxes is compiled here, and employees can view and print tax forms online. Qualified account holders can also invest their money and create and manage their own investment portfolios online. Employees can change the amount they want to invest and the way the funds are invested, and they can always access the money in their account if the need arises. The COBRA tab on myRSC allows employees to view their benefit history and payments and lets them see important dates pertaining to their coverage. They can view and edit dependent information and see coverage details. Now let's take a look at the employer portal for myRSC. One of the most powerful and useful tools available is the aggregate status report. Here you can view account history and balances for the various benefit plans currently being administered. At a glance, you can view the number of participants and the current totals for each plan. With just a few clicks, you can go in depth to view account details and reimbursements at the employee level. The home page also allows you to view documents and reports, view payment history for employees, and make changes to personal information. You can also view changes that employees have made and see the status of those changes. myRSC provides tabs across the top of the employer portal to allow access to other lines of service that you may offer. and a convenient tab containing your TPA's contact information. If you use MySource cards to access funds for FSA, HRA, or transit plans, you can easily view account summaries, the status of your cards, research blocked cards, and view purse values or account activity for your employees. The HSA Today tab gives your HR department complete control over the funding and contribution process of your health savings account. You can import or manually create a list of employee contributions online and fund them through payroll deductions and employer contributions. Depositing funds into your employer account can also be handled directly from this portal. You can also access individual employee information to view the benefits they have elected and their payroll and draft history. The COBRA tab allows you to manage your COBRA benefits with ease. You can add or edit an employee or their dependent, add coverage, or enter a qualifying event for employee with just a few clicks. The status of any transactions you have made can be tracked without having to call or email your TPA. You can also easily view COBRA participants, qualified beneficiaries, or those whose COBRA benefits have been terminated. myRSC's powerful tools, communication, and information simplify administration and allow you to manage your FSA, HRA, HSA, parking and transit, COBRA, and MySource cards all in one easy-to-use web portal. By utilizing online enrollment and online claims filing, you can alleviate confusion and administrative hassles for both your employees and human resources staff. You can also free up valuable HR time by allowing employees access and answers at their fingertips 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. By empowering your employees with tools and information to effectively participate in the healthcare decision-making process, you will motivate them to manage their resources more responsibly and efficiently, making your benefit plan a success.